Lesson 6. Verb, its kinds. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. We are swimming in the pool. Johnny is a good cook. Sophia was dancing. What do you observe in the above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. The colored words are swimming, is and was dancing in the above sentences are verbs. Observe their use and situation. Their use indicates their kinds. As we know, that word which shows an action done by the subject is known as a verb. A verb in a sentence is as important as a subject. An action done by the subject, e.g. swim, is known as main verb. There are other kinds of verbs which have various functions. Kinds of verbs and their functions. Kinds examples functions principal verbs swim, read, play show the action of the subject. Link verbs be, become, grow, get link the subject with a noun or an adjective. Helping verbs be verbs, do verbs, have verbs and modal verbs support the main verb to make verb forms to show a different tense. Principal verb. Principal verbs are the action verbs. They are of two kinds, transitive and intransitive. A transitive verb takes an object to complete the meaning. Examples: A. Raghu was flying kites. What was Raghu flying? Kites. B. Gardener watered the vegetables. What did the gardener water? Vegetables. The main verbs flying and watered have objects, vegetables and kites respectively. So, they are transitive verbs. An intransitive verb takes no object. It has a complete meaning in itself. Example: the baby smiles. The main verb smiles has no object. So, it is an intransitive verb. On the basis of the past and past participle forms, verbs can be divided into regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs. Regular verbs are consistent in the formation of simple past and past participle forms by the addition of d or ed at the end of a regular verb. Base verb. Infinitive. Simple present. Simple past. Past participle. Present participle. Laugh, to laugh, laughs, laughed, laughed, laughing. Encash, to encash, encashes, encashed, encashed, encashing. Accept, to accept, accepts, accepted, accepted, accepting. Wink, to wink, winks, winked, winked, winking. Irregular verbs. In irregular verbs, the simple past and past participle forms end in multiple way without any consistent pattern. Base verb. Infinitive. Simple present. Simple past. Past participle. Present participle. Drive, to drive, drives, drove, driven, driving. Fall, to fall, falls, fell, fallen, falling. Put, to put, puts, put, put, putting. Swim, to swim, swims, swam, swum, swimming. Link verbs. Link verbs are used to join an adjective or noun complement to a subject. The verbs appear, be, seem, look, smell, sound, taste, become, feel, and get are some examples of link verbs. Remember, is, am, are, was and were, are, be verbs. Examples: A. It is getting late. Late adjective. B. I do feel a fool. Fool noun complement. Change with link verbs. Some link verbs are used to talk about change or the absence of change. They are become, keep, get, grow, go, fall, turn, stay, remain. Examples: A. Keep yourself cool. B. It's getting hotter. C. The baby has fallen asleep. Helping or auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs help the main verbs to change their forms according to the tense, voice and other aspects. Example: Uncle will go to Kolkata next month. Future tense. Sometimes, the main verb does not require any helping verb to change according to the tense. A. Uncle went to Kolkata last month. Past tense. B. Uncle will go to Kolkata on Friday at 8 in the morning. Future schedule. Kinds of helping or auxiliary verbs. Primary, be, do, have be verbs, is, am, are, was, were, been, being do verbs, do, does, did have verbs, has, have, had. Formation of verbs. We can form verbs from abstract nouns. Nouns, verbs. Cleanliness, clean. Laughter, laugh. Collection, collect. Behavior, behave. We can form verbs from adjectives. Adjectives, verbs. Able, enable. Thick, thicken. Large, enlarge. Modern, modernize. Verbs can also be formed from nouns. Nouns, verbs. Friends, befriend. Peace, pacify. Fool, befool. Beauty, beautify. Verbs can be formed with the help of some common prefixes. Prefixes. Be. Words, verbs. Head, behead. Little, belittle. En. Courage, encourage. Circle, encircle. Shore, ensure. Dear, endear. Danger, endanger. Joy, enjoy. Noble, ennoble. Verbs can also be formed by adding suffix to a word. Sometimes, we also have to alter its spelling. Suffixes. ISE, IZD. Words, verbs. Apology, apologize. Equal, equalize. Publicity, publicize. Memory, memorize. Summary, summarize. Drama, dramatize. Critic, criticize. Standard, standardize. Real, realize. Special, specialize. Civil, civilize. Suffixes. En. Words, verbs. Bright, brighten. Dark, darken. Fright, frighten. Hest, hasten. Length, lengthen. Mad, madden. Thick, thicken. Broad, broaden. Deep, deepen. Glad, gladden. Hard, harden. Loose, loosen. Tight, tighten. Wide, widen. Suffixes. Fy. Words, verbs. Dignity, dignify. Glory, glorify. Simple, simplify. Pure, purify. Clear, clarify. Horror, horrify. Just, justify. Terror, terrify. Suffixes. Other, words. Words, verbs. Company, accompany. Blood, bleed. cloth, cloth. Fine, refine. Prison, imprison. Tale, tell. Fresh, refresh. Breath, breathe. Bath, bathe. Throne, dethrone. Custom, accustom. Food, feed. Sale, sell. Proposal, propose,